Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Melissa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this super simple and delicious churro icebox cake using just a few simple ingredients. I've got vanilla bean paste, cinnamon, graham crackers, heavy whipping cream, and powdered sugar. That's all you need. To start, I'm going to add 2 cups or 1 pint of heavy whipping cream to a mixing bowl. If you have a stand mixer, go ahead and use that. I used to have one, but it got burnt out because we were making too much bread and just kneading all that dough. It really fried the engine. So today I'm going to be using a hand mixer with my whisk attachment. Once the heavy whipping cream starts to firm up like so, it's time to add our other ingredients. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can add more to taste if you like. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of our vanilla bean paste, or you can use extract. And then we're going to do 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. And then we're going to whisk that until well combined. Make sure to not over whisk so we don't start creating butter. When it looks something like this, you're ready to stop. And go ahead and do a little taste test. And then I line my square baking pan with 2 layers of saran wrap in like a crisscross pattern, leaving extra on the edges to be able to wrap my cake up once it's fully assembled. So first we put a layer of graham cracker. And if they don't fit in there perfectly, we'll just shave off a little bit from the edges. And then we do a layer of whipped cream. And we pretty much just layer it till it gets to the top of the pan. For me, that ended up being 4 layers of graham cracker and whip. And then I chop up the little bits of graham cracker I have left over, and we're going to sprinkle that on top. And then we're going to fold over each edge of our saran wrap to cover up the cake completely. And then this is going to go into the fridge overnight. I love this cake because there's no baking required. You really can't mess it up. And now it's the next day, and we're just going to unwrap our cake carefully and remove it from the pan. And then I did add some more cinnamon powder to the top, but I forgot to film that part. And now it's ready to slice and serve. I'm slicing this cake into 9 equal slices, but if you wanted, you could do them a little smaller, depending on how many people you're trying to serve. And since we're celebrating my son's 7th birthday today, I thought it would be nice and make it more special to display the cake on my beautiful wooden cake stand that I don't get to use enough. And yeah, we had a really nice day. We celebrated early because he's going to be with his dad on his birthday. And in addition to making this delicious cake for him, I got him a scooter and we spent the day at the skate park with his siblings, and we had a lot of fun. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like and comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.